What's the meaning of coconut shy? Coconut shy. Coconut shy.
Coconut shy. Coconut shy. Coconut shy is a traditional fairground game where players throw balls at coconuts balanced on stands. The aim is to knock the coconuts off their stand using the balls and win a prize if successful. It is a game of skill and precision, requiring good hand-eye coordination and accuracy. The result of playing coconut shy can be an exciting and fun experience for players, especially when they successfully knock down a coconut and win a prize. It is a popular game that can still be found at many fairs and festivals around the world today.